Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, I'm back again with another video, my people. My people, you know, so when I come out, I come with the real news, Real news around here. So guess what I want to do? I want to press like, I want to share, I want to subscribe, and I want to press the notification bell and click all. All right? Tell a friend to tell a friend about Atafa the Press. Yes, my people. Wagwan, my people. What's up? I hope you guys having a good day so far. So, my people, on the must see this go around. 60 Ocho Primary School students were rushed to St. Anne's Bay Hospital after consuming sweet laced with THC, my people. It was laced with tetrahydrocannabinol, a compound found in marijuana, my people. Mighty God, all these things. My people, the kids them buy sweet, lace with THC, my people, and it have them, turn them in a zombie and make them a faint and all these things. My people, you know, the THC, one sweet that is consists of the THC. I'm telling uno people, one no more sweet what them eat, that alone, I lick off their head skull. You understand? This is not right. How can a vendor sell kids marijuana, sweetie? What is really going on? Me not understand this. Why a vendor really do this? I sell kids, students, marijuana, sweetie? Student must not eat marijuana, sweetie. What is going on? We can't believe this. No, they're in their hospital because them are faint and all these things. My people, no sir, this is not right. That vendor needs to get arrested. You can't do that. You cannot do that. That is so wrong. My people, want to take in that video clip here.
See, almost the entire school coming down from Orchards. The pit them eat the whole of the sweetie. No, somebody carry them straight up to a medical facility too. See? Pitting them a faint.
This is unbelievable. Mary, my people, know, me just don't know what go on. Me just don't understand this. So you mean if you tell me, say, the man must know where he must sell. Because my people, yesterday in Sweetie Day, a lot of students know about them Sweetie Day, you know. It's a gummy bear sweetie, you know. You understand? A lot of people know about people. Me tell you that. So a lot of students, lot of people know about it. So my thing is, I wonder if the student them know, say, a marijuana sweetie. And that I wonder, you know. Me now say them know and them buy it or them no know. But I have a feeling them know what they were buying. You understand? Because as me say, the gummy bear sweetie, it all over upon the market. And sometimes as parents, when we think the kids them know more than we. You understand? But that not give that man right to sell the students sweetie. Them type of sweetie there. No, it is wrong. It is wrong. You understand? My sister, the police them put out something at the paper asking for him to hand himself in. So vendor, you need to go hand yourself in to the police. The police them wait for you because you should never do that. You should never sell the student them marijuana sweetie. Look on the pitney them now. Pitney them a faint, pitney them. Me just not understand what go on. What really go on? Mighty God. My people, know. I just put an honest opinion in my comment section here, man. Some people, another student beaten after allegedly stepping on schoolmate shoes. Una hear this now? My people. Another student was beaten by accidentally stepping on another schoolmate shoes, my people. I tell you, them pitney, them never learn. Them just not learn. The St. Anne police says it's investigating the beating of a female student by 6 others at the Steer Academy on Monday after she allegedly stepped on the shoes of one of her schoolmates. Commanding officer for St. Anne Police Division, Senior Superintendent Dwight Powell, gave details on the incident. SSP Powell says the student was beaten until she became unconscious. Me people, when I hear these things, imagine you have your child and you send your child go to school and then you get a phone call. Say your child unconscious because another student beat a child because a child accidentally Listen, what is wrong with these kids? I want to them students here. I want really a go on. What really a go on? No, sir. I can't understand this. This is not right. This is not right. What about this shoes business? This brand shoes. What about it? I believe the school them fi ban all brand. All brand shoes. Not only clocks, all brand shoes. Since as on the pan a hyping thing on the pan, yeah, I wanna decide to go beat up other people pitney over foolishness. Yeah, the school need to ban every brand shoes. Every brand shoes the school need to ban. Every brand shoes. This is not right. How can you send your child go to school and then you go get a call, say your child get beaten up, your child unconscious, your child have to go in up and go hospital. A little boy just get beat up the other day because he stepped on somebody's shoes and then beat him and now then gang this little girl. 6-person gang. Come on, man. What really are going? What really are going? Yes, enough of them pitney are bully. Enough of the pitney them are bully. And go to school are bully people pitney. And them something they need to stop. Them something they need to stop. My people, this is not right. This not sit well with me at all. This not right. This is really not right. Me can't believe. Just imagine you have a child and you get up and you send your child to school and then you get phone call, say your child unconscious because other pitney beat up a pitney over shoes. This is madness. This is really madness. You know what, people? Them something they Them something they usually go on in a dance. Them something they go on in a dance. I know them something they go on at school. You know what the government need for ban all brand shoes. This is what the government need to do. Ban all brand shoes. And go back to classic. Go back to the original shoes that we normally wear. And that the government for do. Because this is wrong. People are lose them life. People unconscious. Come on. Over what? Foolishness? No, man. This is not right, man. Parents, we need to teach our children the right thing to do. You understand? We need to. This is not right at all. This is not right. I really do feel it for that child. I really do feel it for that child because right now them say the child unconscious. My viewers and subscriber, wanna just take in that video for me, yeah, man. Listen to that gentleman and hear what I say.
Yeah, man, I'm telling these people. You see, until a parent fuck up some of them pitney over them pitney, you never gonna stop. Can you tell me after freaking just days, after the whole entire Jamaica hear about the incident with the 11th grade youth and the 8th grade youth, them 6 dirty stinking Jankra pitney do the same friggin' thing? That you gonna tell me? But I can't tell you this, you know. I pray to God say, yo, this time to none of my kids, you know why? My pitney now got there hospital, I suffer, and they are roam road, you know. Me done talk it now go so my pitney now go suffer and uno a roam road. So me go tell you from now the need for get to act together. Get to the friggin' act together. This need for stop.
My people, tell me if you not agree with what a father here say. My people, because a real thing, it is not right. And guess what? We don't want parents to go out there and and fight other kids. We don't want that. You understand? Because that will just bring more war. You You understand? And we don't want that. We want the students them, the people them we are go school, we want uno to just build. We want uno to understand on self because uno go school to learn, to take up on a book. You understand? Uno no go school for a fight pitney over shoes and all them rubbish there. You get what I mean? So guys, there's a next video. I want to watch a video clip with Mark Golding. Just take in Mark Golding and then we elaborate on it more.
Be careful what you ask us. I am here to tell you, I trust the Jamaican people's judgment.
At least you trust for with judgment, Mark Golding, not Andrew Holness. Because when Andrew Holness do the wrong things and we are try tell him about it and I show him up, him not like it, him get upset, my people. Yeah, right. So Mark Golding, you're doing a very good job. He's doing a very good job, my people. And for some reason, I don't know why people are attack Mark Golding. And I believe because he's white. You understand? But if you remember, say Siaga white. You come like you don't remember that. You see me? Come like you don't remember what one. Because it seems like we're alright with Siaga, but we're not alright with Mark Golding. When you're not ready, when you say Mark Golding soft, Mark Golding is not soft. Mark Golding is not soft. Mark Golding just it's not a person that act like a hooligan and loud and vulgar. It's not that type of person. Some people believe that if you're vulgar and if you're loud, it is better for you in life. For some reason, I don't know. But people think that. People think that, oh, if you're vulgar and if you're angry, yes, people will look at you. No, because you can be vulgar and loud, but you don't have no sense. You don't have no common sense. You don't have no wisdom. You understand what I mean? You can be vulgar and loud and you really don't have any wisdom. So because you're vulgar and loud, I want to get people attention, or I want people to hear you, you think say, yes, you get your point across. No, you don't. Because that same very person that is very calm and humble, that person may have wisdom than you. So it's not all the time people vulgar and loudness don't bring you nowhere. You understand? Vulgar and loudness, it don't bring you go nowhere. You understand? It doesn't. But people believe if you're vulgar and you're loud and you're it's just, when you really check it, it's just like, really and truly, when people vulgar and loud, I always mix up set of people, them, like vulgar people, mix up. You see me? So my people, when you hear what Mark Golding say, alright, but Andrew Holness in the on a different lead, a different thing Andrew Holness deal with. A business building up apartment for him and his family and taking away the taxpayers' money. That's all Andrew Holness believe in. You understand? Right. Yes, again, my people. So I want to big up Audrey Patterson. She was the first person to comment on my last video, my people. So Audrey Patterson, big up yourself. And this is what she say. Audrey Patterson, she said, how is it right for the Jamaican people to be working so hard to pay 6 thieves and we can't even know who they are? Good question, mama. Good question. You know why? Because Andrew Holness hide the 6 thieves them. Andrew Holness got take out cabinet policy, as I said in my last video. Yeah, because he don't want no ministers to comment on it, my people. Alright? And she said, and if a man picker doesn't act off government property, which is really the people's place, they charge him and lock him up. And that are true. You understand? That's why I said a criminal should be treated as a criminal. Government shouldn't be no different. Public officials not to be no different. MP not to be no different. You understand? That to blatantly show you that Andrew Holness is hiding something. So Audrey Patterson, big up yourself and thanks for asking that question. Also people, I want you guys to like and share out my video. If you're new to my channel, welcome and big up on yourself, my people. Remember to click on all. When you subscribe to my channel, click on all so you can be notified as me upload the video them. You can be notified and be the first one to watch the video, my people. Alright? And remember, if you want a shout out, you have to rush to the comment section quick. Because the first person will comment, and them are going to get the shout out. Alright? Big up on the nice clean self. I'm out.